Guys, how are you? Cameron with Drive This. I've got Marty here with Reliable, and he's got a cool story to share with us.
We get to haul a lot of cool cars here at Reliable. One of the most ones I remember and honored to do it was Craig Jackson's car with Barrett Jackson.
Welcome to Drive This with Cam and Brenny.
You know how much I dislike spiders and snakes?
This is my kind of car right here.
Talking about how he recently did a trip for Barrett Jackson Auctions, Christian Jackson, I believe, is the owner, where he picked up Little Red. It's a Mustang, a Cobra. He's got apparently the 67 and the 68, and the one is apparently the first one or the original one. I'll have to look it up. I don't know the story, but he actually drove it to the field where he found the car and parked it in the exact same spot, and then let the people that he bought the car from take a look at the car and drive it. So just a super cool experience. We're kind of like
Shelby Cobra. He let me haul it to the place that he had found it, and he took it to the field. You can look it up. It's worth a lot of money. It's really
so
nice,
cool.
Really cool car. Well, I hauled all of his display cars going down to Houston, Texas, and with that load, they were having to sell at Houston, and with that was his Little Red.
And what was this thing called? Little Red?
It's called Little Red. It's Shelby. It's a 67 Shelby.
That is awesome. So apparently it's like the first of or something. I don't know. We'll look it up and get you the specifics, but like just a neat. You're talking about how you get to drive across country sometimes. We do the Porsche driving experience.
Yep.
You're taking these cars from track to track and
Porsche ride
event
and
to
drive.
event, ride and drive. And it's a cool, and Marty was the deliverer of my client's gorgeous lava orange 718. And we just realized it's the perfect Reliable car color. So, but just, Reliable is the only transport company.
One of,
that Porsche relies on.
Yes.
That trusts to pick up the cars from ports all across the country and deliver them to dealerships like ours. So it's saying a lot for a company that it has Porsche has the confidence to continue to rely on. And from my standpoint as a brand ambassador, we are so thankful for these guys because they really do. They'll go through hell and high water to get us the cars because usually cars like this are sold. Customers are dying to get them, and we appreciate it. So thank you so much.
You.